Everyone, in this video we discuss 30 interview question and answer on introduction in Java. First question is, what are the SS specifier present in Java? Solution: there are four types of SS specifier present in Java, like example, public, protected, default and private. Define the scope of each SS specifier. SS specifier is four types. First is public, a class, method, constructor, interface. It is declared public, can be accessed from any other class. Therefore, field, methods, block declared inside a public class can be accessed from any class belonging to the Java. Second point is protected. Variables, methods and constructors which are declared protected in a superclass can be accessed only by the subclasses in other package or any class within the package of the protected member class. Third point is default. Without any SS modifier like example public, private or protected, it means that is visible to all within a particular package. Private. Fourth is private variable or method may be used only by an instance of the same class that declares the variable or method. A private feature may not be accessed by the class that owns the feature. Third number question is, give the details about public keyword in Java. Solution: public is a Java keyword which declares a member's access as public. If a program contains multiple access, at most one class can be assigned as public. If a class contains a public class, the name of the program must be similar to the public class name. Fourth number question is, why private access specifier can't access with outside the class? Solution: private methods are the member of the same class and encapsulate within the same class object. 5 number question is, what are the SS specifier and SS modifiers present in Java? Solution: by using SS specifier we define that who one can access our class, method and variable or whatever that we use SS specifier. Basically, Java SS specifier are four types. First is public, private, protected and default. But SS modifier are property of a class, method, variable, while SS modifier are five types. First, final, static, synchronized, abstract, volatile and native. 6 number question is, which modifier may be used with top level class? Solution: public or default modifiers used with top level class. Private and protected SS modifiers are not allowed in top level. 7 number question is, what is the nested class in Java? Which SS specifier are allowed? Solution: in Java, it is possible to define a class within another class. Such classes are known as nested classes. All the SS specifier like example public, protected, default, private are allowed. 8th number question is, why protected and private SS specifier are not allowed in top level? Solution: a top level class as private could be completely useless because nothing would have access to it. If a top level class is declared as a private, the compiler will complain that the modifier private is not allowed here. Protected class method is just like a package private, except that it also can be accessed from the subclasses of different package. Since this is no way to restrict this class being a subclasses by only few classes, this is no use of protected SS specifier for the top level classes. Hence, it is not allowed. 9 number question is, how the declare default SS specifier in Java? Solution: any class, file, method or constructor that has no declare without SS modifier like public, protected, private, then Java provides a default class specifier. 10 number question is, define the rule if a class name is public in Java. Solution: according to the Java specification, if the class is public, then its name must be same with the corresponding file name. 11 number question is, what is a class in Java? Solution: a class can be defined as a template blueprint that describes the behavior state that the object of its type support. 12 number question is define the rules of valid identifier in Java. First is each identifier must have at least one character. Second point is the first character must be picked from alpha underscore or dollar sign. The first character cannot be digit. Third point is received words can't be used as an identifier. Fourth is Java identifiers are case sensitive. Fifth point is special symbols are not allowed except dollar sign and underscore. Sixth point is the name must not contain any white space. 13 number question is state the naming conversion of a class name with example. Solution: the start letter of each word should be capital. Like example, butterfly reader, input stream reader, system. 14 number question is state the naming conversion of a method with example. Solution: except first word the start letter of each word should be capital. Example: to binary string, read line, get bytes. 15 number question is state the naming conversion of a package with example. Solution: each letter of the word must be lowercase. Like example, Java lang, Java x. 16 number question is state the naming conversion rule for a constant with the example. Solution: each letter of the word must be capital. Like example, size, bold. 17 number question is why main method must be public in Java, give reason. Solution: any method or variable which is declared public in Java can be assembled from outside of that class or package if as JVM access the main method from different package, so main method must be public in Java. 18 number question is how to call a static and non-static variable in Java. Solution: static member can be called by class name, object name and directly. Non-static member can be called by object name only. 19 number question is what is JVM? Solution: JVM, Java Virtual Machine, is an abstract machine. It is a specification that provides the runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. 20 number question is what are the tasks of JVM? Solution: the tasks of JVM are: first point, JVM responsible for calling main method and running your program. Second point is it is also responsible for calling garbage collector for cleanup operation. Third point is memory management, thread management, process management, device drive management. It is also tasks of JVM. 21 number question is why main method is static in Java? Solution: since the main method is static, Java Virtual Machine can call it without creating any instance of a class which contains the main method. 22 number question is what the return types of main method in Java? Explain. Solution: in Java, main method doesn't return any value of JVM, so return type only can be while type. 23 number question is what is command line arguments? Solution: the arguments which is accepted by main method known as command line arguments. This is not restrict on the number of Java command line arguments. You can specify any number of arguments. 24 number question is difference use of plus in Java. Solution: the symbol of plus having two use. First is arithmetic operator. Second is in case of string it is used as concatenation. 25 number question is detail about systemout.println in Java. Solution: system, it is a predefined class present in Java lang package. Out, it is a predefined static object on print stream class. Println, it is a non-static method of print stream class which is used to write text into a standard output device. 26 number question is difference between system output and system error. Solution: the output which is generated by system.out can be redirected into file, whereas output which is generated by system error cannot be redirected. System.out main purpose is giving standard output. System.errors main purpose is giving standard errors. 27 number question is difference between greater than and double greater than in case of output redirection. Greater than operator redirects the output of a file if the file already exists and contains some data. The greater could cause the data overwritten with new data. Double greater than redirects then output to a applied to its end of the file instead of overwriting it. 28 number question is 28 number question is difference between the print and println in Java. Solution: print method in Java used to display a text on console. This text is passed as the permanent parameter to the method in the form of string. This method prints the text on the console and console remains at the end of the text at the console. 29 number question is it possible to interchange the SS specifier of main method, like example public static to static public? Solution: if you write the static public void main instead of public static void main, then it will make no difference. 30 number question is write the syntax to create an object in Java. Solution: using new keyword is the most basic way to create an object. Syntax for creating object: class name, object name equal to new class name. In this video, we covered all interview question of introduction in Java. Thank you.